So I'm not sure about you, but I like my Honda CBR250s registered. So let's get to it. Hi guys, so the bike goes in for a pit pass tomorrow, and you either have no flashing lights or you have them on too fast, or they're hyper flashing. First we have to sort out the indicators and take off the rear LEDs, put the halogens on. LED indicators are off, halogens are on. So if you wanted to know how to get them off, normally there's two washers, the nut, and you'll probably bring that nut along the whole route of the wire. You'll pull these bullet plugs from the bike and then it should come off. Just straight out of the hole just here. So I've gone back to halogen globes. Halogen globes. What you have up under this front headlight is a plug. I'll go this way. So you have a flasher relay plug right there. 3 prongs, but you only need 2 of them. So I've gone and brought a Trident TF122 12 volt flasher relay with 2 wires coming off it, and all it has on it is X and L. So hopefully you can see that. X goes to red, L goes to black, and then this should hopefully get us flashing indicators again. Anyway, give me 2 seconds to put it on the bike and I'll be right with you. Brand new from Super Cheap, very tiny, very nice. Alright, now we've just got to get in there. Okay, so I should be able to just connect it in here. If only it was easy. Oh, you didn't even get to see it, but anyway, there it is, plugged in. Hanging down there, make sure none of the plugs work. Turn your ignition on. And now, indicate. Yes! We have flashing indicators again. So if you can see it from this angle, you can probably see it just hanging there. And this was only $13 from Super Cheap. So if you need it, go get it fixed. You know, that's the Honda CBR indicators fixed for rego tomorrow. Actually, now I know it works, I'm just going to extend these so the wire can loop around and then tie them back onto itself. I don't like it onto the rubber. And then I'm going to tape them up. So give me a little bit. Okay, so that's probably about as neat as I'm going to make it, or get it. Let's go put it back on the bike and see how it goes. So earlier today I went for a drive in the car because obviously the bike's not registered, and I see my mate Dave Lithgow on the back of the bus. Anyway, I'll quickly leave you with a clip of the bus, and it was nice to see that he's out there and about and enjoying life and doing his thing. Commentator and real estate agent, I believe. Anyway, see you in the next video.
Advocating for people to move to the left, which is why we have.
Just like this green ball compared to that red ball. Much easier to see. I want the Honda CBR easy to be seen. Just gone dusk, as you can see. And now let's see the indicators. And the other side. Now that is horrible. That is only because of the camera. See? And the other side. And go again. There we go. And the other side. And this side. Nice. And brake, front brake. Can you reach the front brake?
You want me to hold it?
As you can see, it's totally dark. So we're going to try the indicators in total darkness. Oh, nice. Nice. Yes. Working in full darkness and flashing. And the other side. And now the backs. Oh yes, nice and bright back here.